The girl.
Yeah, Cora.
But where's Cora? Where's Cora?
She's in the playground, I think. You got him curled. Oh. I could watch these guys all day. They're so funny. There they go again. King of the mountain. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Good move. Good move, youngster. Come on, Winnie. You can do it. Winnie, you can do it. Get him off. Get him off.
I did Tootsie to the mommy.
You did. Uh-oh. She's like breaking it up.
His butt is in my face.
Oh, boy.
I don't gosh it. He's like, who in my back?
Oh, good. Look at that little tail going a mile a minute. What's they doing, Margot?
He's drinking milk.
Yeah. He's loving it, I think.
And he's chewing the bottle.
Oh, yeah. What's the mommy doing? Cleaning her butt. Good mama.
Oh, the mama got her butt taken out.
I know. Nice and clean. Oh, good job, Shirley. Yeah, you want to be in the film? Okay. Oh. Oh, Ginny.
He boofed.
He boofed. Okay. On that note, we were going to say...